Hey everyone, do you want to make your text appear behind a person? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it easily in CapCut. For this effect, you need a video like this. First, drag it into the timeline. Now, select text and type whatever you want. In this case, I'll write "be happy." Choose your favorite font, resize it, and place it wherever you like. Next, adjust the color and add a little stroke to make it stand out. Once you're happy with your text, select your video, make a copy, and place it above the timeline. Now, select the top video, go to the right panel, click Remove Background, and select Auto Removal. And boom, you have a clean text behind person effect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one.